The nation's top gymnasts are headed to Qatar tonight for the World Championships. As USA Gymnastics, the top office starts over in its search for a new leader. The Interim Chief Mary Bono resigned today, this happening just days after she was named to the post. She stepped down after criticism from Olympians Simone Biles and Ali Raceman. It was just a few hours ago that Raceman went to Twitter, tweeting a message for Bono saying, quote, "Please know my objection to your hiring was not personal. The stakes are high in our sport right now, and it is essential new leadership be disconnected from the influences that allowed these terrible things to happen." Tonight, also, the USA Gymnastics Board of Directors issued a statement saying the resignation is, quote, "in the best interest of the organization," adding, "As a board, we are committed to taking action when we believe a change of course is necessary and to being responsive to our gymnastics community."